Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. Puzzle page of the weekend edition. Weekend Saturday, May the 11th. Also Sunday, May the 12th. In this puzzle page, we have 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. We have here the 2-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, one with 4 stars, one with 3 stars, and the last one is a tectonic. I will solve 4 of them, not all, too much for me, time consuming, otherwise it will be, I need also the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And tomorrow we have also an additional, in this newspaper, an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon, and in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. But first, this 4-star Sudoku, this will be number 8513. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. If we compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus, in the additional puzzle with 26 printed digits should be a 2-stars puzzle. 2-stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4-stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. And usually the 4-stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. Alright, the question is this a 2 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So, let's get started. Alright. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about? In the 5 there, yeah. Well, in this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. In the third column, we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, okay. 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Then let me see. Need a 3, need a 1 here, need a 7 here, I need well. Interesting. Come on. 2, 4. Need a 2 here. 1 and a 9. 1, 9. Ay. 6, 4, 5. Okay, 8, 1, 8, 7. 8, 7. These are 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this row. So, middle row. So, no 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So, 1 digit left in this big square for us, 6. Alright. 6. 3 in the 3 here. Alright. Come on. How about? Need a 7 here. Well. Not easy, this one, not easy. I'm thinking. 2, 2, 2. Need a 5. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 here. Come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. 8. 8, 7. 1, 4. Need a number here. Yeah. 2, 8, 7. 2, 8. One, two, three, four, five, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 2, 5, 4, 2, 4. Come on. 5, 7. Need a 5 here. This one is not easy. Not easy. 7, 7, 7. Well, in this row, 4 missing numbers. The last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 7. Here can be 7. We have 7 in the middle column. So no 7 there. Here we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here or there in the last row. Here or there we see another 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column next. So that column. The only 3 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 in the third row, no 7 there. The only place left of the 7 should be there. 7. Need a 7 there, okay. 1, 2, need a 3. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. Here can be 3. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 1 that's a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there, so 1 is left. In the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright, 9, 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 2, need a 6 here. Come on. I need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5 here. 6. Need a 7 here. Need an 8. And I need a 9 here. Well. Come on. Think. 3 here. 3 there. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Need a 3 here. Well, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, no 3 there. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. The only place level 6 should be there. 1, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers now in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. The only place level 8 should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. 1 and the 9. Yeah, let me mark those. Alright. And we have a pair, the 5 and 8 in this column, 5 and 8 in the column next. So last column, the only two places left for the 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes a there. 8, 8. Come on. 9, 9. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, last column, so no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in this row, middle row, no 9 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for 9 in this big square. Should be there. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 in this row should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. Mark those two boxes early with 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next, so that column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 in the first column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2, 4. Okay. 2, 4. And I need a 6 here. Well, in the last column, we need a 6. Here can be 6, we have 6 in this big square, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have 6 in this row, no 6 there. The only place left with 6 should be there. So 2 and 4 are left in the last column, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, on that column, the only place left with 2 should be there. So 1 box left in this column for number 4 then. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then 9. Okay. Interesting. 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 4 here. 3. Come on. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 5. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Okay. 2, 9, 3. 2, 9, 3. Interesting. I want a 6 then. 6, 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Well. 3 here. The 3 there. Need a 3 here. How about the 2? How about the 2? Yeah, 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, we have a pair. The 2 and the 3 in the third row, the 2 and 3 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 7 and 3, we have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes in there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright, 1 number left in this column, I believe the 9. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between only place level 9. Should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9. Then, yeah. How about these 3 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. And look, we have 7 and 8 in this column. Middle column, so no 7 and 8 in this box. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square, number 5. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, 2, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 1 box left in this row. 4 number, the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. And here we have a pair. So the other pair in the third row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Here we have a pair. So the other pair in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. No. Yeah, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this big square, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then. Need a 6 here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 or a 9, we have a 4 here, so this box should be a 9. 5 and an 8, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow! 80 minutes. Definitely 2 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.